नमस्ते, मैं हूं पायल रोहातगी। आज मैं आपके साथ बात करना चाहती हूं अबाउट अ सो कॉल्ड इंडियन सिटीजनशिप होल्डर रिनाउंड उर्दू पोएट मुनावर राना। मुनावर राना ने इंटरव्यूज दी है आफ्टर तालिबान टेक ओवर ऑफ अफगानिस्तान, और इन इंटरव्यूज के अंदर ही हैज डिफेंडेड तालिबान मूव ऑफ टेकिंग ओवर अफगानिस्तान। यहां पर उन्होंने कहा है कि जो तालिबान ने किया है सेम प्रोसेस महर्षि वाल्मीकि ने किया था, एंड ये भी वो कह रहे हैं कि दे हैव फॉट फॉर द फ्रीडम ऑफ देयर ओन लैंड। तो उनको मैं एक बेसिक हिस्ट्री का पार्ट बताना चाहती हूँ जो मुझे भी समझ पड़ गया है कि अफगानिस्तान पहले पर्शिया था, वहां पर पारसीज रहते थे, हिंदूज रहते थे, जैन्स रहते थे, बुद्धिस्ट रहते थे। एग्जाम्पल है बुद्धास ऑफ बामियास की मूर्ति जिनको बम से एक्सप्लोड कर दिया गया बाय तालिबान व्हेन दे टुक ओवर। एंड अफगान्स जो पर्शिया में आए एज माइनॉरिटी, उन्होंने धीरे धीरे लोगों का धर्म परिवर्तन किया, और आज की तारीख में वहां पे पारसीज ना के बराबर है, हिंदूज ना के बराबर है, बुद्धिस्ट ना के बराबर है, जैन ना के बराबर है, और इन्होंने पर्शिया को अफगानिस्तान बना दिया। सो इट वाज नेवर देयर ओन नेटिव लैंड इन द फर्स्ट प्लेस। दे entered the land as Sharanathi and obviously started converting people once they got control. ठीक है, so they have not fought for the freedom of their land. It was never their native land in the first place. अब ये जो दूसरी आर्ग्यूमेंट मुनावर राना ने करी है कि they are not terrorists but aggressive fighters. Aggressive fighters don't go on killing people in the name of religion. जी हाँ, Taliban people have shot women, they have shot men for committing adultery and simple crimes which have court sentences in other countries. Taliban believes adultery is equivalent to murder and kills people. बहुत सारे वीडियोस है सोशल मीडिया पर 1990s के या उसके बाद के, एंड वो वीडियोस के अंदर आप देख सकते हैं that Taliban only believes in giving justice by killing. That is what the thought process is. Aggressive fighter is not equivalent to terrorist. Terrorist cannot be pardoned saying that he is an aggressive fighter. Taliban is a terrorist community. Taliban cannot be called as an aggressive fighter. Hindus who stand up for their religion can be called as aggressive fighters who are attacked first and then they defend themselves. Taliban attack first and kill people and force people to convert into their religion. No Sanatan Dharma person will force people to convert into Sanatan Dharma. Okay, they might defend their religion things, but they don't go on forcing people to get converted into Sanatan Dharma. So there is a difference between Taliban and Hindutva thought process. जहां पर आप जैसे लोग comparisons करने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं, because आपकी best friend I think स्वरा भास्कर है, both you guys are best friends. He is obviously talking about Maharishi Valmiki. Valmiki ji was a dacoit before he wrote Ramayana. He was from the lower caste, and once he wrote the Ramayana, he was obviously respected as a Maharishi. तो ये explain करता है मुनावर राना by even you wanting to criticize Sanatan Dharma that हमारे धर्म के अंदर जात पात नहीं थी. A person born in a lower caste could be converted into a higher caste on the basis of his karmas. वाल्मीकि ने अपने कर्मों से अपने आप को फ्रॉम लोअर कास्ट अपग्रेड कर दिया टू हायर कास्ट. फ्रॉम अ dacoit he became a maharishi who wrote Ramayana. So there was no jat path in our dharma that Munavar Rana you have clarified for us. So for that I will tell you thank you, because in your hatred you have forgotten that you have actually given information which is going to help me to say that there was no jat path in Sanatan Dharma. ये कह के सिर्फ इतना ही कहना है कि obviously you want to discuss about mob lynchings happening in India, you don't want to discuss about Afghanistan, but then why are you defending Taliban? Do you want to even figure out why mob lynchings happen in India? What are the reasons behind it? Then yes, we would love to have discussion on that. But yes, we need to discuss Afghanistan, because what is happening in Afghanistan can happen in India. Afghanistan was once upon a time Persia. Afghanis were never natives of Afghanistan. Please ये बात को समझिए मुनावर राना. आप कह रहे हैं कि Taliban fought for the freedom of their land. That is a wrong statement. You can't compare that takeover to Indians taking over India from British. That's a wrong comparison, but Valmiki ka example was a great example. Thank you so much for giving an example of Valmiki ji, because you have actually proven that there was no jat path in Sanatan Dharma. Namaste, Jai Hind.